Learn English to Gujarati. Care, accuracy and
સુસંગતતા.
with fun. Welcome to the word workshop. Hey, you are about to learn some serious words in a not so serious way. Think of this as a language gym, except nobody makes you do burpees. Today you will learn 7 powerful vocabulary ideas in English and Gujarati. We start with care,
કાળજી.
then accuracy and precision, both often expressed as.
ચોકસાઈ.
You will also meet reliability,
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
coherence,
સુસંગતતા.
stringency,
કઠોરતા.
and consistency.
સંગતિ.
These are the kinds of words that make you sound smart, careful, and slightly dangerous in meetings. A very careful cat. Let's begin gently with a word you can use every day. Imagine a cat wearing tiny safety glasses. The word care in Gujarati is.
કાળજી.
Say it slowly.
કાળજી.
Care is important in every task. In Gujarati.
દરેક કામમાં કાળજી મહત્વની છે.
She does the work with care. In Gujarati.
તે કામ કાળજી સાથે કરે છે.
Handle the glass with care. In Gujarati.
કાચને કાળજીથી પકડો.
Funny memory trick. Imagine a cat refusing to jump onto the table until everyone promises.
કાળજી.
A responsible cat is still a cat, so it knocks over the glass anyway. Accuracy and precision walk into a lab. Now for 2 elegant words that often share the same Gujarati translation. Yes, language can be efficient and slightly sneaky. Accuracy in Gujarati is.
ચોકસાઈ.
Precision is also often.
ચોકસાઈ.
Context does the heavy lifting here. Accuracy is important in science. In Gujarati.
વિજ્ઞાનમાં ચોકસાઈ મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે.
Accuracy helps avoid mistakes. In Gujarati.
ચોકસાઈ ભૂલો ટાળવામાં મદદ કરે છે.
Precision matters in surgery. In Gujarati.
શસ્ત્રક્રિયામાં ચોકસાઈ મહત્વની છે.
The engineer works with precision. In Gujarati.
ઇજનેર ચોકસાઈ સાથે કામ કરે છે.
Picture an archer hitting the center of the target, then adjusting the target and still bragging. That confident little brag is.
ચોકસાઈ.
Reliable like tea, not like my alarm. Some things show up for you every time. Tea, sunrise, that one friend who always replies with a full paragraph. Reliability in Gujarati is.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
It is a longer word, but a very useful one. Reliability is important in a good team. In Gujarati.
સારી ટીમમાં વિશ્વસનીયતા મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે.
Her reliability made everyone trust her. In Gujarati.
તેની વિશ્વસનીયતાએ બધાને તેના પર વિશ્વાસ કરાવ્યો.
We check the reliability of the system. In Gujarati.
અમે સિસ્ટમની વિશ્વસનીયતા તપાસીએ છીએ.
Mini dialogue. A. Can we trust this machine? B. Yes, it's.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Is excellent. Memory image. A lighthouse on the Gujarat coast labeled.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Shining every night without drama. Unlike my phone battery, which is a poet of betrayal. When ideas actually make sense. Now we enter the magical land where essays have structure and presentations do not wander off to discuss sandwiches. Coherence in Gujarati is.
સુસંગતતા.
The essay has good coherence. In Gujarati.
નિબંધમાં સુસંગતતા.
Sorry Che. We need coherence between the ideas. In Gujarati.
વિચારો વચ્ચે સુસંગતતા.
Joie. The speech lacked coherence. In Gujarati.
ભાષણમાં સુસંગતતા.
Ni kami hati. Another example. The argument has coherence. In Gujarati.
દલીલમાં સુસંગતતા.
Che. Imagine a confused robot giving a speech. First bananas, then economics, then my shoes are emotional. Someone presses a button marked.
સુસંગતતા.
And suddenly the robot becomes a professor. Strict rules and serious faces. This word has the energy of a school principal who can hear chewing from 3 floors away. Stringency in Gujarati is.
કઠોરતા.
The new safety rules were implemented with stringency. In Gujarati.
નવી સુરક્ષા નિયમો કઠોરતા.
Saithamalamam mukaya. Financial stringency forced the company to reduce spending. In Gujarati.
આર્થિક કઠોરતા.
Ekampanin karka gatadava majabura kari. The teacher spoke with stringency but fairness. In Gujarati.
શિક્ષકે કઠોરતા.
Parantu naya saith vata kari. Memory trick. Imagine square cookies baked under absolute.
कठोरता,
No crumbs out of line. No chocolate chips without permission. Consistency keeps the logic alive. This is the word that stops your argument from wearing one red sock and one banana. Consistency in Gujarati is
संगति,
consistency makes an argument stronger. In Gujarati,
संगति,
Dalalain Vadu Majabuta Banavi Che. We checked the report for consistency. In Gujarati,
અમે અહેવાલમાં સંગતિ,
Tapasi. A good theory needs consistency. In Gujarati,
સારી સિદ્ધાંતને સંગતિ,
Jwa. Quick comparison.
સુસંગતતા,
Is coherence the smooth connected flow of ideas?
સંગતિ,
Is consistency the logical fit and non-mismatch between parts? Picture a line of socks refusing to mismatch because they believe in.
સંગતિ,
This is noble. This is slightly dramatic. This is laundry philosophy. Rapid fire review. You are doing great. Now let's make your brain do a few elegant backflips. What is the Gujarati word for care?
કાળજી,
What is the Gujarati word for accuracy?
ચોકસાઈ,
What is the Gujarati word for precision?
ચોકસાઈ,
What is the Gujarati word for reliability?
વિશ્વસનીયતા,
What is the Gujarati word for coherence?
સુસંગતતા,
What is the Gujarati word for stringency?
કઠોરતા,
What is the Gujarati word for consistency?
સંગતિ,
Mini challenge. Let's see if you can use the words like a calm multilingual genius. Or at least like a brave one. Say this in Gujarati. Care is important.
કાળજી મહત્વની છે,
Say this in Gujarati. Accuracy is important in science.
વિજ્ઞાનમાં ચોકસાઈ મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે,
Say this in Gujarati. Reliability is very important.
વિશ્વસનીયતા ખૂબ મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે,
Say this in Gujarati. We need coherence between the ideas.
વિચારો વચ્ચે સુસંગતતા જોઈએ,
Say this in Gujarati. The report lacks coherence.
અહેવાલમાં સુસંગતતા નથી,
Say this in Gujarati. The policy was enforced with stringency.
નીતિ કઠોરતા સાથે અમલમાં મુકાઈ,
Say this in Gujarati. Consistency makes an argument stronger.
સંગતિ દલીલને વધુ મજબૂત બનાવે છે,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned formal vocabulary without falling asleep, and that is a beautiful achievement. Today you practiced care, accuracy, precision, reliability, coherence, stringency, and consistency in English and Gujarati. Remember these key words.
કાળજી, ચોકસાઈ, વિશ્વસનીયતા, સુસંગતતા, કઠોરતા,
And
સંગતિ.
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words aloud, use them in your own sentences, and come back soon for more Gujarati.